In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tables from Webpages into Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you want to bring publicly available data from a website directly into a spreadsheet without copying and pasting everything manually. Google Sheets can do this with a simple built-in formula, and once you know where to place it and how it works, the process is very quick. To get started, go to the web page that contains the table you want to import. Once you are on the correct page, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Make sure you copy the complete link because Google Sheets will use that exact web page address to locate the table data. If the page has multiple tables, the formula can target one of them by number. So using the correct page is important. Next, open your Google Sheets file. In your sheet, click on an empty cell where you want the top left corner of the imported table to appear. This matters because the imported data will expand outward from that cell into the surrounding rows and columns. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to choose an area with enough empty space so the incoming table doesn't overlap with anything already in your sheet. Now enter the formula using the link you copied. A common example for importing the first table on a page looks like this. Equals IMPORTHTML, then in parentheses, the web page URL in quotation marks, followed by a comma, the word table in quotation marks, another comma, and the number 1. In written form, that would be, equals IMPORTHTML, open parenthesis, quotation mark, website link, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, table, quotation mark, comma, 1, close parenthesis. This formula tells Google Sheets to visit that web page, look for a table element and return the first one it finds. The final number is especially important because it identifies which table to pull from the page. If the first table isn't the one you want, you may need to adjust that number later. But the structure of the formula stays the same. Once the formula is typed in, press Enter. You'll usually see the word loading appear for a moment while Google Sheets retrieves the data. After that, the table should populate automatically into the spreadsheet cells. If nothing appears right away, give it a few seconds, since some pages take a little longer to load. And that's it, you've successfully imported a table from a web page into Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.